Hi, Comet K and KSET 2025 aspirants. So I know at this time the main thing that will be in your mind is counseling process is yet to begin, right? So which branches you should choose, what are your cutoff for different branches, which colleges are the top colleges, these many doubts will be there in your mind at this point of time, and I do understand that. So for that reason, in this video we will be discussing one of the top branches, that is information science engineering, and its cutoff for the top 10 colleges. We'll be talking about both KSET and Comet K 2024 cutoff. Okay, so if you are an aspirant of KSET and Comet K, and if you're interested in this particular branch, so let me tell you about this branch first of all. So information science is a branch which is like application of computer science. So computer science is basically coding, algorithm and all, right? But the application part of these coding is where the information science lies. And if you are really interested in this particular branch, then you should give it a try. You should be knowing the cutoff. So that is what the purpose of this video. So we will be talking about the top 10 colleges. Let's start with the first one. So the first college is your most favorite, most, I can say, most wanted, demanded, and the best college of Karnataka, that is your RV College of Engineering. And in RV College of Engineering, they have Information Science and Engineering, and for that, the KSET cutoff is 795. So you know the cutoff for Information Science is less than Computer Science, okay? And the Comet K cutoff is also 802. So, and these are your 2024 last round cutoff, means KSET second round extended and Comet K round 3 cutoff, okay? Moving forward with the next one, for MSRIT College of Engineering. So here if you see, the KSET cutoff is 3712, whereas Comet K cutoff is 1720. So if you have written KSET and if your rank is around 3000, 3700, and if you're interested in this particular branch, then definitely this college you can choose. Okay, let's move to the next colleges, that is your JSS Science and Technological University. So this is a JSSTU we call it. And if I talk about the cutoff here, right? So for information science, the KSET cutoff is around 7,249. So many of times students think that if I'm not getting top 1000 rank, you won't be getting good colleges. It is not like that. If you're getting up to 10,000 ranks, then definitely you can get many good colleges. And JSSTU with KSET 7,249 rank, you can easily get information science. And this college does not take admission through Comet K, so there is no Comet K cutoff. Moving forward to UVCE, again University of Vishwesvaraya College of Engineering. Here if I see, the KSET cutoff is 6,958, okay, and this college also does not take admission through Comet K, so I have not given the cutoff. So if your rank is around 7,000 also, you can apply for this college. Moving forward to college number 5, that is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. Here the information science cutoff for KSET is 8,795 and for Comet K it is 3,344. So you can see if your rank is towards the lower side like 7,000, 8,000 also, some good colleges and good branches are there for you, okay? Next, moving to college number 6, that is Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. This is a very good college located in Tumkur. Okay, although it is a very good college, may not be that popular because it is not located in Bangalore. But yes, definitely a college with very good placements, very good facilities as well. So if I talk about information science and engineering, the KSET cutoff is around 10,908 and the Comet K cutoff is 20,586. Okay. Next, moving to 7th college, that is National Institute of Engineering, North Campus. So here the cutoff for KSET is 11,690 and the Comet K cutoff is 18,058. Clear? Now you can see even after 10,000 rank, right? Even after like 11,000 rank, in even if up to 20,000 rank, so Comet K cutoff is going up to 18,000. So still you have a chance to get into the good colleges. So it is not that, see, sometimes we might not have done very well in the exam, but if our knowledge of counseling is good, we can still end up in getting a very good college. So that is why it is very important to know the cutoffs of different colleges, and these all are your general merit rank. Okay, so up to 11,000, 18,000 if you have, then also you can go for this college. Moving to RV, Institute of Technology and Management. So here we have Information Science and Engineering. The KSET cutoff is around 14,959 or roughly 15,000, and for Comet K it is 19,948 or roughly 20,000. Okay, so you can see from last college to this college the cutoff has gone lower. So RV Institute of Technology and Management, please do not get confused with RV College of Engineering. Okay, that is different and this is different. So the cutoff for this one you can see here. Moving towards the 9th college, that is BNM Institute of Technology. So here if I see the KSET cutoff is around 15,977, but you can see a huge drop in the Comet K cutoff, that is around 40,347. Okay, so reason, although I don't know, maybe because of seats or maybe some other reason, but yes, these are the last round cutoff, so the cutoff has gone really down, maybe because the seats are not filled or whatever. So you can see accordingly that if you can afford it, so if you have rank within 40,000, then also you have a very good college option with you. Okay, next moving to the last college in this list, that is Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, again a very reputed college. So here the KSET cutoff is around 17,040 and the Comet K cutoff is 25,502. Okay, so if your rank in KSET is around 17,000, 20,000, then also you can go for this branch, and you can, that too in a very good college. And in Comet K, if your rank is up to 40,000, then also you can try for this branch. Okay, so these were the top 10 colleges that and their cutoff for Information Science and Engineering. And let me tell you, Information Science and Engineering is one of the trending branch. So if you are interested in codings, if you are interested in the application of computer science, then definitely this college, this branch is for you, right? So that's all in this video. So now I want all of you to comment down that which other branch cutoff you want to know, and if you are interested in ISC, then which college out of this top 10 would be your preference. Do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe the channel because we are coming up with many more such videos for your counseling process, so that it becomes very smooth and you can have a lot of information as well, right? So thank you for watching and subscribe the channel.